Good evening, everyone. My name is Emma, and welcome back to another episode of Learning Through Videos with Pasal. On today's video, let's learn about 30 common sentences in English. Alright, no more waiting. Let's begin. How's it going? How's it going? What have you been doing? What have you been doing? Nothing much. Nothing much. What's on your mind? What's on your mind? I was just thinking. I was just thinking. I was just daydreaming. I was just daydreaming. It's none of your business. It's none of your business. Is that so? Is that so? How come? How come? Absolutely. Absolutely. Definitely. Definitely. Of course. Of course. You better believe it. You better believe it. I guess so. I guess so. There's no way to know. There's no way to know. I can't say for sure. I can't say for sure. This is too good to be true. This is too good to be true. No way. No way. I got it. I got it. Right on. Right on. I did it. I did it. Got a minute? Got a minute? About when? About when? I won't take but a minute. I won't take but a minute. Speak up. Speak up. Seen Melissa? Seen Melissa? So we've met again, So we've met again, Come here. Come here. Come over. Come over. Don't go yet. Don't go yet. Please go first, after you. Please go first, after you. Thanks for letting me go first. Thanks for letting me go first. What a relief. What a relief. What the hell are you doing? What the hell are you doing? You're a lifesaver. You're a lifesaver. I know I can count on you. I know I can count on you. Get your head out of your ass. Get your head out of your ass. That's a lie. That's a lie. Do as I say. Do as I say. This is the limit. This is the limit. Explain to me why. Explain to me why. Ask for it. Ask for it. In the nick of time. In the nick of time. No litter. No litter. Go for it. Go for it. What a jerk. What a jerk. How cute. How cute. None of your business. None of your business. Don't peep. Don't peep. Yep. Well, I guess that's enough for today's lesson. I hope that you all found it helpful. If so, don't forget to give it a like so that we can make more interesting videos in the future. And by the way, we now have a free trial course for new beginners, and it's totally free. So check it out. I'll leave it in the description box below. I'm Emma. See you next time.